Life is uncomfortable when you stand up and put your head above the parapet and you say what you feel. That's life. That's uncomfortable. And so be it. And that's what's wrong. There's too many snowflakes now that are afraid to feel uncomfortable. Stand up. What's the cost? If the manager stands up and says, I'm not doing it this second, so be it.
Mm-hmm.
If a player stands up and says, I'm not doing it, and he loses his career, so be it. That's life. Life is uncomfortable. Truth hurts. You need one to stand up, and then maybe you might get a few more. If we don't participate, will it change what's happening in Gaza? No, it won't. But will it change what's happening in our society, in where we start? Of course it will. People will, on the right side of history, people down the road will see it.
I'm going to bring you a flavour of some of the messages coming in. Of course, we should play Israel. We carried on playing England after Bloody Sunday. We didn't ban American goods for repeated breaches of international laws. Another one, would Ireland refuse to play China with its 9 million political prisoners? This one, UEFA have made a decision and we have to follow the decision. But this person says this is nuts. Why should Irish football be expected to operate at a moral level and cost more than any other European nation just to virtue signal about Israel? This listener says, I'm a Republican Irish football fan. We should play Israel. I will attend the game. I'll clap for the Israeli anthem. I'll fly their flag with the Irish flag. And there are others, Daniel, that say this is sport. It's not politics. And Ireland should play Israel. What do you say to that argument that they should be separate things?
All your comments have missed the point here, Claire. The rule already exists. It's a UEFA statute. It's also a FIFA statute. So they've all missed the point entirely. This isn't an opinion. I agree with everything Roddy said, but if you just bring it back, there is a rule book. The rule exists. Ireland's not trying to do something, that's outside of the rules or trying to say, and FIFA hasn't. Someone said the FIFA have made a decision. They haven't made a decision. They've ignored their obligation to make a decision. So all of those comments have totally missed the point here. The point is the most serious rules that govern the game are UEFA statute and FIFA statute. Below that, we teach young kids fair play. We teach them there's a penalty kick, respect the referee. Every game is built upon a rule book. And at the highest level of football, at UEFA, there is a statute. And that statute explicitly forbids teams to play on other people's land. It enforces a brutal system of apartheid. And UEFA is refusing to enforce its own rule.